In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new table in Airtable, focusing on importing data and handling duplication. Whether you're working on a new project or simply need to organize your data more effectively, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Airtable's website. It's as easy as opening your favorite web browser and typing in airtable.com. Once you're there, log in to your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can quickly create one. It's a straightforward process that won't take much of your time. After logging in, open the specific Airtable base where you plan to add your new table. This base acts as your workspace, so make sure you have the right one selected for your particular needs. With your base open, look towards the bottom of your screen. There, you should see a plus sign labeled Add More. Go ahead and click on that. This option allows you to expand your workspace with new tables, thereby keeping your data organized and easily accessible. Now select Create New Table. Here, you have two main options for bringing in data: importing from an Excel file or a CSV file. Click on Import from Excel or Import from CSV, depending on the format of your data. You'll be prompted to choose a file from your computer, so navigate to the location where you have your data saved and select the file you wish to import. Click Import and watch as your data seamlessly loads into your new table. Once your data is in, it's important to address potential duplicates. These can skew your results or complicate your processes, so let's ensure your data is clean. Navigate to the top of your screen and select the Tools option from the menu. Within the Tools section, find and click on Extensions. Next, choose Add an extension, which will bring you to a search bar. Type in Duplicate to find the extension that will help manage any duplicate data entries. Once you locate it, click Add. This extension will be installed, and you can then specify the fields where you want Airtable to search for duplicates. Finally, click on Review to open a detailed list of any duplicate entries that have been identified. From here, you can choose to either exclude or permanently delete these duplicates, helping to maintain the integrity of your data. And that's it. You've successfully created a new table in Airtable, imported your data, and ensured it's free of duplicates. Keep these steps in mind for future projects and enjoy the efficient organization that Airtable offers. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.